Dr. Strange, I'm not taking anything other than testosterone, which is dialed in, no vitamins, not anything other than a healthy diet, cardio, lifting, sleep. Should I add anything else for TRT or be content? So you say you feel good, you're eating well, your testosterone protocol is good. You're lifting weights, you're getting cardio, and you're getting good sleep. I mean, you're better than 99% of the people out there. What I would recommend is get your vitamin D levels checked. I like to have vitamin D at the absolute top end of the range. Vitamin D is the most powerful hormone. Yes, it's a hormone. We call it a vitamin. It's a hormone, okay? And I take, without fail, well, I don't know if it's coming out backwards or whatever on yours, maybe not. Oh no, it's true, it's reversed on YouTube. I take, and I'm not promoting the brand. Okay, we can turn the brand around. I'll give a shit about the brand. Get a half decent vitamin D, 5,000 IU a day is one. Some guys have seen benefit adding 25 milligrams, 25 to 50 milligrams of DHEA a day. Start with 25. If you see some benefit, take it. If you don't bother. But if your nutrition is really that good, might not need. There is a school of thought that says, and there's a lot of legitimacy to school of thought, that the nutrition that we're having today doesn't have nearly the same amount of vitamins and minerals of the same foods that we were eating 50 years ago or 100 years ago. And due to that and that alone, sometimes it is good to supplement with a half decent multivitamin or at least a B complex because we're not getting the same nutrients out of our food as we used to. Okay, so you could say, oh yeah, I eat steak and vegetables and this and that, and I'm healthy. Yeah, but it's lacking compared to what it used to. So you can always bump it up with some good vitamin mineral supplements. And outside of that, again, you can get your thyroid levels checked. Again, free T3 should be close to about 5. TSH should be closer to about 1. If it's significantly off, maybe try a trial thyroid. I'm going to take a little bit of thyroid every day. That's helped me a lot. But outside of that, you're probably good.
This video is sponsored by Mizumi, the #1 pick for men on TRT. Shop now at Mizumi's using the link in the description under this video.